Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious and merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will again start with my subject mass communication, and then I will also touch about history of mass communication in India. But first, I want to add that as yesterday I said that when we add a channel to the communication, it becomes mass communication, and as a subject, the mass communication comes under the school of social sciences, especially when we talk of India. It comes under the school of social sciences or under the faculty of social sciences, along with subjects like sociology, social work, political science, geography, philosophy, anthropology, and I can also say even economics, and I will also say, and many a times also here I want to add that journalism or mass communication is also very much related to English literature, as well as it has some subjects like some topics in it which are related to statistics. Um, so I can also say that mass communication is a combination of almost all these social science subjects plus English or English literature. Here I want to add that recently, 1 or 2 months ago, I was in a panel. We have to select a communication scientist. So when the shortlist candidates came and when the interview was going on, and we had to select a candidate who had done a doctorate in English literature, because she had read, because the candidate has read subjects during her doctorate in which she had done research on folk media. She had done research on electronic and she had done research especially on folk media and radio. So we had to take her. There were other candidates who had even done MBAs in advertising and communication, who had done other communication degrees, but we had to take a person who had a background of English literature. She had done PG. The candidate had done PG in English, and then she had a doctorate in English literature. So I can also say that it is closely related to English literature also. And also here I want to add that whenever there are posts advertised for communication people, especially in the employment news when we talk of India, so we should definitely go for those posts, because many a times I have seen, I have twice, 2 3 times I have been in these interview panels, and I have many times seen communication English literature people as well as management people who come for the communication post. Even recently I saw a candidate who had a biotechnology degree, and she had come for that post, because actually that post was communication scientist. So, and that was a good group A post, classroom post that was. So we should also see to those things, that our posts should not be taken by other people from other fields or other subjects. So that was the example I wanted to give you. So moving on to our today's topic, that is history of mass communication in India. Actually, it should be history of print media in India. So it all started from Bengal, with the start of Hickey's Gazette in 1780. The Hickey's Gazette, it was a two-page newspaper, and it especially specifically focused on the work and the life of the officers at that time, the colonial officers at that time. And then after that, there was that Kolkata Gazette, and then the Oriental Journal and the Oriental Gazette. These were the gazettes that started in Kolkata, and then in Madras, the Madras Courier in 1785. It was by Richard Johnson. He was a government printer. He started that newspaper in 1785. And Haraku by Hook Boyard. It also started in Madras, presently Chennai. And then Madras Gazette and Indian Herald. These two papers followed the Haraku paper, Harkaru paper, sorry. So, and then in 1878, the Hindu was founded by Kasturi Ranga Iyengar. And then in Bombay, the Bombay Herald, it started in 1789. And also, I want to add that the moving first moving pictures that was first showcased that was in Mumbai by the Lumiere brothers in 1895 July. So in today's topic, I just touched the school under which mass communication comes and the subjects which are related to mass communication, and also I gave just a gist of the history of mass communication, especially print communication, print media in India. Thank you.